Okay, why don't we take some questions? Because they've been coming in thick and fast. Two, three, does this include affirmative prayer? Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Here's a question. What about yielding to God's will? When you say you're going to claim what you want and have the life you want, what about God's will?
So God's will for me is that I was born in this body and at this time, and I am dealing with what life is for me right now. So that is part of the calculation. But I also talk about it in the introduction in the book, is that what unity is taught and what unity believes is that God is constantly showering us full lives, full of abundance. It is not withholding anything, that we are in this field of infinite possibility that we call God, we call spirit, we call universe, we call source, we call divine mind. All those different names all lead to the same place. So that when we step fully into manifesting our good, we are doing it with God as the divine and through spirit, that all of that is coming into manifestation, into reality for the greater good of the whole planet and the whole human race. I talk in the book specifically, I believe it's in step 4, chapter 6, about creating win-win situations. Part of the reason to share your journey is to create situations and things in a life that benefit you and benefit other people. That when everyone is lifted by your manifestation and your creation, that the whole world prospers. And that is God to me. That is spirit to me. That is something greater than us. And it's not selfish and it's not hoarding and it's not petty. It's expansive and generous and abundant. And that's God's will as I see it and know it.